Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 11 update problems quickly and effectively. If your Windows update is stuck, showing an error, or failing to install, don't worry. I'll walk you through the exact steps to get it working again. First, let's start with the most basic but powerful fix. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on Start, then open Settings. Go to System, scroll down to Troubleshoot, and choose Other Troubleshooters. Next to Windows Update, click Run. This will automatically detect and repair most update-related problems. Wait for it to finish and then restart your computer. If the issue persists, the next step is to clear the Windows Update cache. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. In the list, find Windows Update, right-click it, and select Stop. Now open File Explorer and navigate to C/Windows/Software Distribution. Delete everything inside this folder. These are temporary update files that might be corrupted. Once done, go back to the Services window, right-click Windows Update, and select Start again. Still not working? Then let's reset the update components manually. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run these commands one by one. net stop WUAUSERV, net stop bits, net stop CRYPTSVC. Then rename the software distribution and catroot2 folders by typing ren c/windows/software distribution space software distribution.old and ren c/windows/system32/catroot2 space catroot2.old. Finally, restart those services with net start WUAUSERV, net start bits, and net start CRYPTSVC. After that, restart your PC and check for updates again from Settings, Windows Update, Check for Updates. If you're still facing issues, make sure your date and time are correct, VPNs are disabled, and you have enough disk space available. In rare cases, you can use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant from Microsoft's official website to manually install updates. And that's it. Follow these steps carefully, and your Windows 11 updates should start working perfectly again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.